We're having a little bit of bad weather right now because we experienced like Sandy or something like that from SpongeBob. Yeah, she's like a category 1. Like, Steven has me in the rain getting my Remy wet and shit. But we're having fun, you know, we're entertaining the guests, you know, Naughty Nick is not giving us a break. But we're not really having much rain. This bathroom stuff. We're okay, dear girls. It's fantastic, okay? You know, we're having a fabulous time. I'm here with Steven. You know, he's my good friend. I'm not gonna let him back down. Yeah. So, guys, I don't know where you guys are, but it's wet down here. I'm cold.
Hey, I'm your girl Toyo, part of the entertainment crew here at Hedonism 2. As nothing is happening. Hurricane Sandy is no hurricane after all. We're still here at Hedonism 2, having fun, having a blast, and making sure that we all party together. So, I'll see you next time. Make sure you choose Hedonism 2.
Hey everybody, this is Hennessy from Hedonism 2. I just want to say thank you for praying, being concerned about everybody here in Jamaica. Also, Hedo 2, remember, if you have booked your trip already, don't worry, Hedo 2 will still be here. Sandy is on her way back to Bikini Bottom because SpongeBob is crying. But yeah, there's no damage right now. It's just a little bit of drizzling, a little bit of dark cloud. We're okay. Don't worry, we're here. The new side is here. The fruit side is here, but what the hell? Who goes to that side? Anyways, shout out. I'm your girl Hennessy saying one love. Come on down. Halloween, anniversary, New Year's, we'll be here. Hedo 2, it's the place to be.
This is your boy 50 from Hedonism 2. Negril, we just want to say thank you very much for all the folks on Facebook checking on us if we're safe and everything is good. We just want to say we are really safe. It's actually cold and a little bit wet, but everything is fine. We're safe and we're having a grand time. It's like, yes. But guess what? We still have our cup. We're drinking, having fun, and making sure everything is good. And guess what? Keep safe, because guess what? We're okay. Peace out. Yes, 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 yes! You want to see?
You want to see it?
You want to look right?
What we're doing in Sandy?
Oh, Sandy? No.
Sandy went back to SpongeBob.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Sandy? Oh.
They come from Bikini Bottom.
Oh, but it's
Mr. Krabs, Patrick,
oh, SpongeBob.
Sandy,
Oh.
SpongeBob.
I thought you were talking about
Squidward.
No, they're talking about SpongeBob, Sandy from
That's the hurricane. It's
the hurricane.
Sandy.
It's good. But actually,
No.
they say it's going to be like a category 1 thing, but it feels like it's a normal
Yeah, but it's gonna
windy
pass
day.
because you know Jamaica's blessed, right?
Yes, good. And we're at Hedo. We're naked. What do you
Yeah.
think?
And besides, why does SpongeBob and Sandy want to get naked? You're not supposed to come to Hedo.